Let's take a look at number 64 from Unit 3, MCQ Practice, Materials by Brian Passwater. In this problem, what are we trying to find here? I'm looking up above. We're given these 2 points, the minimum and the maximum. What is the period and the amplitude? Okay, gotcha. So period and amplitude. Ultimately, I need to know what is the B, and I need to know what is the A. Come off to the side here. I have 1 point at pi over 4, and that's at 10. That represents a minimum value. And then if I think of this, this would be pi, and this would be, this would be pi. I'm going all the way, and this would be 3 pi over 4. And this goes all the way up to 40. Okay, so here's my minimum, and here's my maximum. Let's go right away with amplitude. It always seems to be easiest for most of us. So one way algebraically is you're going to take your high minus your low, and then you're going to divide it by 2. So I get 30 divided by 2. Now, yeah, that tells me my amplitude. That means I need to drop down 15 here. I need to drop down 15, or I need to rise up. Now notice they didn't say exactly what is the D. The D is a little bit different than the D is different than the amplitude. The amplitude here represents from this midline, which happens to be y equals 25, because I'm going to go 15 up from 10 or 40 down. This is my midline. And so when we're talking about the amplitude is the distance from the midline to the lowest point, or the distance to the highest point. So I'm looking for amplitudes of 15. I can cancel out B, and I can cancel out D. 50% chance of getting this right. The next thing we need to do is we need to figure out the length of the period. So if I can figure out what it is from pi over 4 to 3 pi over 4, many of you can do that in your head. If not, you're going to take 3 pi over 4 minus 1 pi over 4. We have a common denominator, so I have 2 pi over 4, right? Which reduces to 1 pi over 2. Now that's half of a cycle. So if I double that, from the minimum to a maximum, this is half of one cycle. If I double this, I'll have an entire cycle. So doubling this would give me simply pi. Correct answer is C.